Hello and welcome everybody. So in our last video we have seen how to install Rust and create our Hello World program. So in this video we are going to start with Cargo. So Cargo is a package manager in Rust, like we have npm in JavaScript. So Cargo is used to create our project, manage our dependencies, and then build our project also. So this is our Hello World program created last video. So I'm going to delete this one and let's open here with command prompt. So let's first check if we have Cargo installed. So cargo dash dash version. So with this we can see like we have Cargo installed. So we are going to create a new project. So for that we have a command called cargo new. I'm going to create a same hello world program. So here we can see we have created our hello world program with cargo. So we are going to see what cargo gives us. So let's cd into our hello world directory and let's open this in VS Code. So we can see our hello world program. So here we can see we have our source directory, and the next is we have our git ignore file, and our important file is our cargo.toml file. So this and this. So I have Rust analyzer installed here, that's why I created our target file. When we start our program with cargo, so it gives us these three files: cargo.toml file, .gitignore, and this source folder. So last time we added our main.rs file directly, but in our cargo project we add everything inside our source file, and our top level directory is mainly used for configuration files or readme files. Okay, so let's see our cargo.toml file. So here we have our package and name of our package, version, and then the edition. Then we have dependencies. So right now we don't have any dependencies, so it shows us like empty. Okay, so next is git ignore. So it has created git repository for us. Cargo itself creates a git repository for us. And next is our source directory, in which we have our main.rs file. So here itself we have seen it it has written a main function with the print hello world, same as we wrote in our last video for our hello world program. So let's see how we are going to run this. So for this let's the command for building our project here is cargo build. So we don't have any dependency, so it goes ahead and build our project. So it builds in target debug, and here we have our hello world.exe. So as we ran last time, we can go into our target, then debug, then hello world.exe. So we can run this exe and this will give us hello world program. So last time we also did the same. We compiled our program with the rust c, then we ran our exe file. So there is not much difference right now, but when we have so many projects, so cargo with so many external libraries, in that case the cargo will help us to handle and manage their versions and installing them and then building our project itself. Okay, so what is difference in this project is we will not go ahead and run our program like this every time we are when we are developing. So cargo gives us direct run command, so we can go like cargo run. So what it does is it build our program and then also run our program, so we get output here itself. Okay, and the next command is we also have cargo check command. So what it does is it tells us like if our current program compiles successfully or not. So if I remove this semicolon, there is no error for this semicolon right now, let's say, because there is only one statement here. So let's remove this and run again cargo check. So here we can see we have our error. So this helps us to know if there is any error in our project. So when we have a big project and there are multiple files in it, so here we can see in our code editor itself like there is a error. But when we have a big project, there could be multiple files there, and we need to check if our program is able to compile or not. So we can use cargo check. So it is faster than cargo build to run. So we use this to check our program is working or not. And our last step here is how we are going to build for release. So what we did is we build it for debug. So this is not an optimized exe. So for cargo gives us the option to build for release for multiple operating systems. So if I am here in our Windows, I can build it for Mac OS, Ubuntu, and for any platform I choose to. So here I can go cargo build dash dash release. So what it does is build our project for release. So I can go in target and I have one more folder here called release, and here we have our hello world.exe. So that's it for this video. So here we have explained how cargo is run and how it works. So thank you for watching, and we'll meet you in next video.